Hello everyone. Today I will teach you guys how to start an HTML file, an HTML project. First, we will right click our workspace folder, then new folder, and put our website name like my website 1. Enter, of course. Now right click again and new file. Here we'll put an index.html file. There we have our HTML file, and to start putting things on it, we'll put exclamation mark, enter. Now we have our default settings for an HTML document. Ctrl S and we save it. Thanks guys, and see you soon.